Rwaniririe ati nimaigite keheriini kimanjika kia mbeca barabara iria ciokorwo ikihũthĩrwo kũrĩ bara iria cigũkorwo igĩthia iria itanyĩtwo mbura ya El Nino. Munene wa KRB Wilson kosgei n'uria waraniirie na andiki a mohoro mwena wa naivasha nĩ ataririe ati gikinyeria riu thirikali niirutite gichunje kia 50 harĩ igana kia mbeca icio.
Kenya roads improvement because funds, once used well, we expect results. As up to now, if you look at the disbursement which has been made to roads for this financial year 2023-2024, we're in the first quarter. We have just finished the first quarter, and we've disbursed to the road agencies at least 25% of their allocation. So we expect that they have resources. In case there will be any emergencies, they should be able to move in fast and rectify the situation. If there will be a road which will be cut off or a network which will be impassable, it's expected that they will address the issue or the problem as soon as it happens, because resources have already been dispersed to them. We've not given fully, but at least they have some resources to repair whatever condition will come up from the expected rains. Allocation is made to every specific road agency. So when I talk of 25%, it is as percentage of the allocation, what they are supposed to receive in the financial year. So the national government have prepared in the past documents that inform how road construction and maintenance is being done, and part of our engagement here is to disseminate some of these documents which has been done over time and best practice, because it has been tested, so that they are available at the county governments as they require. Kenya as a country has a lot of road network which is unpaved. Quite almost 80% of our road network is unpaved, and majority of these roads are domiciled in our counties, and therefore once we interact with county governments and see how we can improve these conditions of the road, it will be the better for the country and all of us.
Kogeni atashiko cia ekinai gukorwo makihũthĩra nduthi nĩ cithiĩte na mbere gukorwo ikiongerereka mwena wa Nakuru.